In this video, I will show you what messages are available to customers when opening documents and on the expiry of documents. First, we will look at the unauthorized use option. So, using Windows Explorer, locate a document you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. In the PDF Writer window, select the Messages tab. In the On Unauthorized Use area, you have the option of displaying a message to the user or navigating to a URL, perhaps to a sales area containing information and pricing for your products. We will look at both in turn. So first, the display message window. In this field, you can type custom text that will be displayed if a customer does not have the correct key to view the document and therefore needs to acquire a license from you. So we can type a message in there. I've got one pre-typed. So there we have the message that we're going to display to the customer. Next, select the Document Access tab. Using the drop-down, select Selected Customers. This means that it must be specifically assigned before it can be used. Once you've done that, just click Publish. In the Protection Status window, just click OK. Now let's see what happens when the unauthorized customer tries to open the document. So here's the protected PDF file. Double-click on it. Safeguard Secure Viewer will open and attempt to load the file. However, the message is then displayed. You are not authorized to view this document. Please contact Lock Lizard Sales, and there's the number. Okay, so at that point, click OK, close the viewer, close Windows Explorer. Now we will have a look at the Navigate to URL option. Alternatively, if an unauthorized user tries to open a document, you can set it to navigate to a website or a web page, perhaps to a sales area displaying your terms and conditions or pricing information. So again, open Windows Explorer, locate a document you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. Again, select the Messages tab. In the On Unauthorized Use area, select the Navigate to URL. Here, enter the URL that you wish to navigate to. There we go. Once you've done that, just click Publish. In the Protection Status window again, click OK. Again, if we double-click on the newly protected file, the Safeguard Secure Viewer opens, but the link takes you to the web page of your choice. Okay, so the customer can then view either your terms and conditions or whatever it is you wish him to view. Okay, so once you've finished that, close the browser, close the viewer, and close Windows Explorer. Now we will look at the document expiry with custom message option. First, we will create a document and limit access to a fixed number of days. So again, using Windows Explorer, locate the document you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. In the PDF Writer, select the Expiry and Validity tab. In the Document Expires area, we're going to select to set the numbers of days after the first use. I'm going to set this to 7. Now select the Messages tab. If you want to display a custom message when the document expires, type it here. Message here. Give it a space. This document will expire on. Then if we click the little green pencil on the right, we can insert the date variable. So it will display the message this document will expire on and show the date of expiry. If you want to warn customers in advance that the document is going to expire, then click this option here and choose how many days beforehand you would like the message to be displayed. So I've chosen 2. So 2 days before the document is due to expire, it will warn the user. Now we're going to click Publish. In the Protection Status window, click OK. Now if we double click on the document and it is within 2 days of expiry, the Safeguard Secure Viewer will open and load the document. However, as the document loads, a message is displayed reminding the user of the date that the document will expire. Click OK. The document then fully opens. And here we can see and view the file OK. And at the bottom of the page, it tells you that the document is going to expire on the 17th of the 3rd, 2023. So it shows the expiry date down the bottom. Okay, so once we finish viewing the document, close the viewer, close Windows Explorer. As an alternative, you could also set up an expiry message that does not display any expiry dates. This can be done in the following way. Again, open Windows Explorer, select the document you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. In the writer window, choose Expiry and Validity. Set the expiry date of the document. Then select the Messages tab. In the document expiry area, make sure the Show Messages option is selected. Then, in the box, type the message you wish to display. Okay, I've got one pre-typed, so I'll put that in there. Once I've done that, all you have to do is click Publish. In the Protection Status window, click OK. Now in Windows Explorer, if I open a document that has already expired, double-click on the document, the Secure Viewer will open and attempt to load the document. However, the message appears, this document can no longer be accessed. If you require an extended license, contact us at blah, blah, blah. So there we go. That's the message in force. Click OK, close the viewer, close Windows Explorer. And next, the document expiry with custom URL option. So we will now set a fixed expiry date on a document that opens a web page when the document expires. So again, using Windows Explorer, locate the document we wish to protect, right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. In the PDF writer, select the Expiry and Validity tab. Select the date you want the document to expire. I'm just going to select 1 day after first use. Okay. Then select the Messages tab. On document expiry, select the Navigate to URL option. In the box, type the URL you want the customer to be directed to. Once you've done that, just click Publish. Again, in the Protection Status window, just click OK. Now, once the file has expired, we then double-click on it again a week later or after the expiry date. Again, the Safeguard Secure Viewer tries to open, but it gets redirected by the URL to the website or the web page that you set it to go to. Okay, so there it is, it's gone to the web page. So once you're finished with that, close the browser, close the viewer, and close Windows Explorer. We will now look at the welcome message URL. Enter a URL in this field if you want to send the customer to a web page the very first time they open the document. For example, you may want to display your terms and conditions, additional products that the customer might be interested in purchasing, or supplementary information for the document or ebook they have just purchased. So again, open Windows Explorer, locate the document you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. In the writer window, select the Messages tab again. Down the bottom, it says Welcome Message URL. So enter the URL that you would like to send the customer to. Once you've done that, just click Publish. In the Protection Status window, click OK. Now if we double-click on the newly protected file, the Safeguard Secure Viewer will start to load and then direct you or direct the customer to the website or web page that you've set in the URL. In this case, we've sent them to the support page so they can see where they can get end user support and publisher support. So if we close that down, The lock lizard secure viewer opens and loads the file normally and will continue to do so. The redirection only works the first time the user opens the document. Okay, so once you finish viewing the document, close the viewer and close Windows Explorer.